Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and enjoying the best of health. Guys, my today's video contains a very beautiful blend of different color combination, that is medium tone colors, dark theme colors, light colors, and a very beautiful and different stylized patterns of hand embroidery that would be specifically designed for your dresses, shirts, kurti, kameez, paplum frocks, or any type of the top that you are going to wear along with your bottom, jeans, pants, trousers, palazzos as well. So guys, different patterns like long slit neckline, like side panel neckline in the form of different colorful floral patterns have been shared with you. The thread you can use for making this embroidery is anchor, DMC, and wool as well. If you want to give a thick, a velvety, a 3D type look, then must use wool for making these embroidery patterns. If you want a sleek, neat look, then use anchor for the embroidery patterns. And if you want a touchy or a shiny or sleek look, then use silky threads for making these patterns. You can also use these design patterns of hand embroidery for making machine embroidery as well, because the beauty of these patterns is that they are many dimensional. That is, you can use for hand art, machine art, and also you can also use it for liquid embroidery as well. So before going into the further details, I have a simple request that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel, because in our daily routine we try our best to share beautiful, stylish, and amazing designs of hand art, hand embroidery, and dresses to keep you up to the mark with the latest and beautiful designs that are related to women fashion and women dress designing. So guys, side neck motif based or a stylized patterns of band style or a mini round neck neckline is a new emerging trend. You can also make these very beautiful embroidery patterns onto your t-shirts, blended shirts, onto your short tops, or the pintex based like extremely backless shirts could also be designed. So all of these designs are highly recommendable, and if you are thinking of starting a new business of hand art or handwork, then you can get the ideas from this collection. All of them are latest, trendy, and up to the mark. And with this, allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end and stay tuned for the new and latest upcoming more videos on our channel, and keep supporting us, keep watching us, keep liking our content as you always have been. Thank you so much for your support. With your support and love, we have reached at this level, and we will keep growing into a larger and a remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members.